Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APHA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, and now the price is flirting down here with this area of support right around the 585 mark. But now that we have a little bit more data and seeing that the price dropped a little bit below it, I'm going to go ahead and adjust that level of support down to the $5.80 mark, which is, not the end of the world, but just keep in mind whenever levels of support do need to be adjusted in the downwards direction. Like I said, does not mean that this thing's getting ready to go down to $2. I'm just saying that's not the most preferable of situations. Preferably, assuming you're bullish and along, you want to see levels of support needing to be adjusted in the upwards direction, not the downwards direction, which again is what happened here. So not the end of the world, but just kind of illustrates how the past couple of days have been going. And how have they been going? Well, look at the highs, lower highs. And then you look at the lows. These lows just keep getting lower and lower. So there is a downtrend element to it right now. But again, I realize this sounds like it's being super negative, but I don't say any of this in the it's the end of the world, because let's squeeze the chart down. And you can still see that within the grand context of things, the trend is still fully in the bulls' favor. So I totally understand that everything I was saying seemed probably to be very, very negative. But overall, all that's going on is there is a downtrend. But this is all occurring within a bigger, uptrend of context. Now, if this downtrend just continues and continues and continues, okay, that's a much different situation at that point. But as it stands right now, yeah, it's pulling back. Yeah, it's not the best looking thing, but it's not like any of this is occurring and where the price is crashing or anything like that. So keep in mind the overall context there. If there are any attempted bounces to the upside, that key level still remains up at 625, which is a level that I've talked about in past videos. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that. But yeah, past a couple of days have been pretty shaky. But when you look at more than just a couple of days and you look at several days as we're doing here, the uptrend is still bullish. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.